If you're experiencing connection errors in Valorant, calibrating your settings and connection can help improve your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP. Step 2. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. This may include using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi, closing background applications that use bandwidth, and ensuring no other devices are heavily using the internet while you play. Step 3. Change server region. In Valorant, you can change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. Open the game, go to Settings, and select the appropriate server from the list. This can reduce latency and improve connection stability. Step 4. Update network drivers. Ensure your network drivers are up to date. Go to your device manager, find your network adapter, and check for updates. Keeping your drivers current can help resolve compatibility issues that may affect your connection. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it while playing Valorant. These services can sometimes interfere with your connection and cause latency issues. Once disabled, restart the game and check if the connection errors persist. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your connection and reduce errors in Valorant. Remember to regularly check your settings and connection for optimal performance.